Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's look at the shorter end of the curve today in the two-year note futures as they're realizing some continued selling pressure today. Two-year note futures trading lower for a fourth consecutive session, and today we're looking at the futures market moving back down towards the lower end of the 103 handle, 103.07 currently in the futures market. Now we did see a high of basically 104, which is the highest level going back to January, just 4 sessions ago before the big reversal, and now we're seeing continued selling pressure and moving us back down towards the lower end of the range here for the past week. And when you look at some of the driving factors, really today it appears the primary driver appears to be the weekly jobless claims, as we did get weekly jobless claims and they came in lower than anticipated, and shifting the general trends that the market has experienced, and at least for the short term appears to be quelling some of the concerns regarding the labor market and the weakness in the labor market, as we did see a reduction in jobless claims on a week-over-week basis. And that appears to be enough of a catalyst to continue to keep prices moving lower and yields moving higher. Couple that with the equity markets showing some significant strength today after some heavy volatility over the last week. Continued volatility today, but today we're seeing them hold on to a strong gain, and that's causing, I think, some selling pressure as well in the treasury markets when you look at the price action pretty much across the board. Now, looking at the yields, we're looking at that two-year yield up 4 basis points today to 404 basis points, so we're back above that 400 basis point level. 10-year right at the 400 basis point level, so we're looking at that inversion between the 2-year and the 10-year narrowing, certainly the narrowest it's been basically since the beginning of the year. But still holding 4 basis points of negative or inversion, I should say. And so we're continuing to see that shifting dynamic in the market. And looking at the yield curve, where the yield curve is moving higher across the board today, as we're seeing prices move lower pretty much from the 3-month all the way out to the 30-year. And that's moving those yields higher, and we're seeing, again, higher yields pretty much across the board. And when you get to the 1-year all the way out to the 30-year, you're seeing yields higher by about 4 basis points across the entire curve. So curve moving higher, prices moving lower, 2-year note futures experiencing some continued selling pressure, trading down near a 1-week low.